guys, welcome back to my channel. Right now it's 8:21 on a Friday and I need to go to work, so I'm gonna do a quick 10-minute makeup. I tend to do something like super simple. I don't like to put a lot because first I don't have time, and second I try to let my skin breathe, so doesn't clog my pores, and I don't know, because most of the weekend I'm gonna do like more heavy makeup. So for work, it's just like when I have like 5-10 minutes, I tend to do only concealer, and I like it because it does look good, and it's not like, oh, you don't have foundation, you don't have foundation, it's gonna look bad, or like not enough coverage. I feel like if you let your skin breathe, it's tend to get healthier. So you don't wanna over put stuff on your face because it doesn't like it sometimes. So too heavy on the face, you're gonna feel I don't feel that. I don't wanna put a heavy makeup on every day. So just concealer is enough coverage. And this concealer from the same I love it so much because it have that medium coverage. It doesn't feel like a super light foundation, and it will on your skin so smoothly. So now just figure something really good from this Philly Millie. I bought this sponge on Olive Young. Is it Olive Young? I think it's Yummy. I think it's Olive Young. And it's super good sponge. And you tap it all, and it go evenly on your face, and then it's you tap, and when if you want a smooth surface, even with only little foundation or like concealer, and it spread out super nicely. I think it doesn't sit on the sponge too much. That's the thing that I like, because most of the time when I use a regular or cheap other kind of makeup sponge like this, it's gonna absorb into the sponge super fast, and I have to use more than the product that I need. And then I'm just gonna use a little bit of powder. So I'm gonna just coat evenly around the brush. Tap super light on my face. I think this way is again keep your makeup on longer. Super light powder satin, even though I have more of a oily skin, but I feel like this method works for me for everyday makeup. basically my base is done. Now I need some blush. That's my second step. So after concealer is powder and then blush, my third step. Usually I use some, today I'm going to use this blush. So I'm going to use the Tarte. It's called Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush, and it's in color Captivating. I think it's a pretty nice kind of neutral for warm tone, kind of pink, coral pinkish. Then I just apply a little to my cheek. Today is Friday, guys, and I'm just kind of excited because tomorrow, not excited, but just every time it's Friday, I just don't really want to go to work. I want to stay home, but I have to work. So the reward of working all day is end of the day, you're done. So it's weekend, and tomorrow I'm gonna have a party. I need to order food, and then I'm gonna use this for my, not this brush, I'm gonna use this for my eyes too. This is like simple makeup. I don't do a lot for work, only when I have more time, but since I only have like 10-15 minutes, I usually do it lightly. So I'll use the same blush. I use a eye brush, and then I'm gonna tap the blush on my crease, my eyelid. Go down to the bottom a little bit. As a with this kind of makeup, it's make your skin super natural. It's like your skin is better, and I feel like you can do this almost every day because it doesn't bother much or sit much on your skin, and it feels super nice with it. Very natural. Now I'm gonna use eyeliner. I'm using the Heron Make waterproof smooth liquid eyeliner. This is my go-to everyday. I don't know how long I have been using this, but I still have quite a lot. I think it's almost run out, so I need a new one. I bought a new one of this, but just do a super simple liner. So usually I don't pay much attention to eyeliner because I don't use any technique to apply eyeliner on a weekday because I don't have a lot of time to do it. Oh, and now I'm gonna use a eyebrow pencil. It's called Etude. It's from Etude House. Bare Edge Slim Brown number 04 light brow. So I started to like this eyebrow more because because the light brown color it's giving me a very natural and it's kind of match. It's not like perfectly match, but it matched my eyebrow in a natural way. So usually when I use other brands, it tend to be darker. It's just like kind of like shoe mirror. I use it and then I feel like it's a little bit heavier or like a little bit darker on my eyebrow. So I tend to look more like angry or because the eyebrow can change your face feature. So with the light eyebrow color, it's help like line up your face and it's really change your how your face look. I don't like to do a lot, so it's just simple, just color in my brow, like kind of natural eyebrow. If you guys don't know, I think you guys may see it because I don't really have a lot of eyebrow. My head didn't grow on this area or even the eyelash, so I think it took me a while to figure out how to really take care of it so it can grow. And it's form a better shape. So I can tell you guys that it takes a long time for me. I use a very natural way. I'll show you guys in one of the shorts. But I use a very natural way to take care of my eyebrows so it can grow a little bit more. It takes a long time. And then I feel like it's getting much better from time to time, and I think I can change my formula a little bit so it's grow out a little bit faster, I guess. But for now, I'm happy with it. So the eyebrow is done. I'm gonna do a quick setting spray. Funny thing is Uni Club, and then basically I bought this on Amazon. One of the products I bought from Amazon, and at first I didn't like it. I feel like it doesn't set the face right, and the mist is super soft. I don't really feel anything, but the more I use it, basically now I just realized this. Basically when I set this with it, using this, I have to put a little bit closer to my face so you can feel the mist more. And then the mist is super fine, and then it's like I feel like it's not sitting well on your face, but at the same time, this is one of the best setting spray that I've used, because I think by the end of the day my makeup is still really good and my face is super nice. I think it's the problem I'll show you today by end of today. But after setting this up, I stay for super long time to tell you that. Today I think I'm gonna use this fancy Christian Dior lipstick that I bought. I don't remember what color this is in, but It's kind of like a dusty brown and an orange. It's really nice. It's just like it doesn't stay long on your lips. So after I eat, I think the problem will go away. But I do like it. Like not bad stuff for natural looking, and I think that's it. I'm ready to go to work. It's right now 8:35. I'm gonna go to work right now. I'm going like at home. I'm gonna check back with you guys on how well my skin doing, and then how well the setting spray did the job. By end of the day, I'll show you the detail later. But good to talk to you guys. Have a good day. Even if you anywhere, if you at work or you do anything, you have a great day. And don't forget to like and subscribe my video. Or wait for my next video. Bye bye. I'll see you later.